Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a candy. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw two parallel lines and let's connect them with a curve on both the sides. Now let's draw two lines like this for the twisted wrapper and let's draw some wavy lines. And let's draw some lines here and here. Now let's draw two lines on the top of the candy. Now using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. First erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.